dropped it. Rewrite the rules. Okay. So that's that. Then we've got, let me see. We're getting ready for spring. Ever Eden 50, SPF 50 Premium Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. I need to go back to my studio out there. But you kind of can hear everything in the background, and I don't like that. All right, so this is a sunscreen, SPF 50. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That should work. Then here, I've got a couple of these, but they're expensive and they're good. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Great nighttime moisturizer. Okay, moving on. We have, and here is an eyeliner by It's Defiance Beauty. I kind of like that. That's kind of cool. So here it is here. It is a liquid. Nice tip. Ooh, that would be good for a wing for sure. Okay, cool. And then the last but not least is the Wonder Beauty, and check her out. She's pretty. Look at that. I'm liking it. Not bad, right? Let's just go ahead and do a few swatches here. Oh, look at those. Oh my. Yes, I'm loving that. All right, let's see if we can do it all at once. What do you guys think? I'm loving that. Okay, so that's everything. Let's go ahead and do a recap, and then you guys got to tell me what you think for sure. Okay, so we have the Wonder Beauty palettes. Then we have the SPF 50. We have the Marine Cream by Elemis. Oh, wait, and I forgot. I've been using it. That's why I forgot about it. Liner. Did I say the liner? I don't know. I get too much. I have mom brain. Can't even talk today. Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask. I have to use one of these all the time. My lips are constantly dry, so I love getting stuff like this. And it has worked really. Almost forgot to mention that. We have the Berry Glaze Lip Mask, and then the liquid eyeliner, the moisturizer, the SPF, and the Wonder Beauty. Okay, I will put the total value of this box on the screen. Tell me what you think. I am definitely going to try Chic Beauty Box. For those of you that have been wondering, because we talked about it in my last video, I think I'm going to venture out and try that one because I've been liking what I see. And I really like to get high-end makeup. I like to try new brands, but we've gotten so many of them and then so many repeats. So it's, I don't know. Bring me back the high-end, the Huda palettes, you know, the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's kind of what I am looking for. Tell me, do we think the same? Let me know that. Write down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have not subscribed, would you take a chance on this channel and join me for some unboxings and all things beauty? And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.